Hi, I'm Zack with Miami Today, and I'm here at the Miami office of Boyes, Flexner & Schiller for an interview with their administrative partner, Zack. During our talk, Mr. Zack discussed his role at the firm and also what he'll be doing as president of the American Bar Association next year. Further, he discussed his most memorable moments from when he tried Bush v. Gore and during the 2000 election.
I spoke about this when I accepted the nomination for vice president because I'm very concerned about it. Mm-hmm. I'm very concerned about it because I've experienced it. I have a niece who is graduating law school with $180,000 in debt, mm-hmm. and finding it difficult to find a job. What does this mean to society? Because it has a lot of meanings and a lot of different levels, and some of them are kind of hidden meanings. And Dean Acosta, who is the new dean from FIU, is someone who I'm working with. I'm working with a number of deans, and we'll have a commission on the high cost of legal education. Mm-hmm. That is one of my initiatives. And there are a number of things that can be done. Number one, we want to make sure that the ABA doesn't add to that high cost. Because as you know, the ABA accredits every law school, unless the things that the ABA was formed to do, the first thing it was formed to do is to provide the highest caliber of legal education in the world, which we do, because we accredit all. Unless you're an ABA accredited law school, you actually can't take a bar in most states. Mm-hmm. And the second thing is ethics, and we established a code of ethics. So those are the two bases that the whole association was founded on. So you're going to a core issue, and the core issue again is education. 1 out of every 2 calls to Legal Services Corporation goes unanswered. Who calls? Mostly poor, women, minorities. 80% of the poor people in America today do not have access to legal. Okay? That is unacceptable and is outrageous. If we fight for the rule of law around the world, the rule of law begins with access. Unless there is access to the legal profession, there will not be true rule of law. And that's where the need is, to service these people. Well, let's use our common sense. You graduate law school and you have $150,000 in debt. What are you going to do? You're going to go to a public service job that pays $50,000, or you're going to go to a law firm where you're going to make $100,000 or more. Okay? It's easy. Mm-hmm. You know, we have got to incentivize the law students to go to where the need is, the real need of our society. And we're talking about having bills passed in Congress, for example, that if you go to the public service section of our society, that you have loan forgiveness. Those are the kind of things that we're looking at.